All right, so a lot of you have been asking, how do I get the battery out of my key fob? So I'm going to show you. Take this small screwdriver right here, shove it in the side, just get it in there real quick, and pull it apart. Once you do that, you'll be able to, there we go, slowly wiggle it. There's a little piece at the bottom. This little piece, you want to make sure you don't break it off. And you're going to have your pieces like that. You're going to use a CR2032 battery. Same screwdriver. Pop that bad boy out of there because we don't need it anymore. And you'll notice that it was face up. So make sure you put it in the right way. And when you do that, you'll notice that it has to go in here first, then down. That keeps it secure. Then you simply put this piece with this little bitty guy in there. Go ahead and put that in the hole right there. Snap it all together. And you're good to go.